Okay, I took these from these and another pair of jeans that were shot, and I'll show you what I did. I compacted them in a casting resin. I soaked the material, and then I put it in a press that I made for this. And we are going to see if we can turn a blue jean ring. Well, here's what I have so far with the blue jean ring. Not doing bad. All right, out of those blue jean pieces that I mixed an epoxy resin with and clamped them all together, this is the result of the blue jean ring. This is so hard, I do not believe it's going to need a core on the inside. It was a really, really hard piece of material to turn, but it turned out kind of unique, kind of cool. I have a little more finish to put on it. I'll take another picture then. Look at this dried up ground of ours. Still no real chance of rain in the forecast. Anyhow, I told you I would show you another picture of this ring. See if I can get this to focus in a little better. But that is the outcome of the blue jean ring. And I believe what we may do is offer this up when we hit 500 subscribers. We will think of a question to ask, and the first to answer right will get my one and only and very first blue jean ring. So now I'm going to go in and sit down and edit this, and then I'll show you pictures of the piece of burning bush that I showed last week and show you how it turned out. And I promise Kim will have some videos coming up, so not all you're seeing is stuff that I'm doing and working on. So this could be yours if you're interested. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, spread the word for us so we can get to 500 and that I can give someone this ring. Thanks again. Have a blessed evening, and we will see you again here at Runaway Homestead. There we go. For those of you that saw the piece of burning bush I was messing with the other day, well, this right here is the outcome of it and how it turned out. Pretty nice.